Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Outlook and go to your inbox now because the fastest cleanup starts here. Use the search box to surface messages by sender, domain, or subject keywords. Select a batch with Shift or Control. Once selected, right-click and mark as junk or choose Block Sender to teach Outlook. Create a quick step that moves messages to junk or deletes them automatically. Once done, you'll stop repeating manual actions and immediate clutter will fall away. Now build precise rules so Outlook handles future junk without asking. Open Rules, manage rules, and create one keyed to sender, subject words, or specific header patterns. Choose actions like move to junk, delete permanently, or flag for review, and add exceptions for contacts or mailing lists you want kept. Test the rule on current messages and use Run Now to clean existing mail. Once validated, make the rule higher priority so it triggers before generic filters and reduces missed spam. Finish by emptying junk and deleted items and compacting the mailbox to ensure messages are gone. Enable safe senders and maintain a blocked senders list so rules are explicit. And if you use Exchange or Microsoft 365, sync these lists across devices. If legitimate mail still lands in junk, open the message, click Not Junk, and add the sender to safe senders. Then revisit rules order and exceptions to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.